In this video, we'll learn how to conduct simple division operations involving decimal numbers. When we look at a decimal number and a whole number, the question we're solving is how many times will 2 fit into 5.4. If we use estimation, we can say that 2 will fit into 5.4 a little more than twice. Let's calculate it using short division. I say, draw the bus shelter. And the big number is in the bus shelter, and the small number wants to fit into the bus shelter. 2 fits into 5 2 times, remainder 1. Now 2 fits into 14 7 times. And that decimal point, it aligns directly above the other. I say it's like someone's pegging rocks at the bus shelter. So peg that rock and land it on the roof of the bus shelter. I'll show you again, part B. Draw the bus shelter. The big number goes in the bus shelter. The small number wants to fit into the bus shelter. 4 fits into 8 twice. 4 fits into 5 once with 1 remainder. 4 fits into 16 4 times. Peg the rock. Part C. Draw the bus shelter. Big number under the bus shelter. Small number wants to fit into the bus shelter. 5 fits into 7 1 time. Remainder 2. 5 fits into 24 4 whole times. But where do I put the remainder? Draw the 0 and remainder 4 becomes 40. 5 fits into 48 times. Peg the rock. Let's do part D and E together, and then I'll let you try F and G and H by yourself. Because D, 17 goes in the bus shelter, and 8 wants to fit in the bus shelter. 8 fits into 1, no, it can't. So 8 fits into 17 2 whole times. Now we need to introduce the decimal point and add a 0. So there's our remainder, and 8 fits into 10 1 whole time. Continue that pattern of introducing zeros until you get a decimal result. 8 fits into 20 2 times, add another 0. 8 fits into 40 5 times. When there's no remainder, we now stop our decimal division. Just before we move on, here's something to think about. Appreciate that 17 divided by 8 is the same as the fraction 17 on 8, and that is 2 whole and 1/8. We can say that 2 and 1/8 is equivalent to 2.125 as a decimal value. Finally, we'll do E together. It's special because the first value is not actually bigger than 6. Look, it's a small decimal value. So 0.0954 in the bus shelter, and 6 wants to fit in the bus shelter. 6 fits into 0 0 times. 6 fits into 0 0 times. 6 fits into 9 1 time, remainder 3. 6 fits into 35 5 times, remainder 5. 6 fits into 54 9 times. Complete F, G, H, and then check your answers either on screen or with a calculator. Press pause now.